Pillar 1 B1 classification of banks and NBFCs. Formal financial intermediaries, banks RBI और नॉन बैंक्स. तो बैंक्स पहले देखते हैं. आरबीआई. कॉमर्शियल एंड कोऑपरेटिव्स. कॉमर्शियल पब्लिक प्राइवेट फॉरेन डिफरेंशियल. कोऑपरेट डिफरेंशियल आरआरबी लैब एफ एसएफबी पीबी. कांट गिव लोन्स और क्रेडिट कार्ड्स. कोऑपरेटिव्स अर्बन शेड्यूल और नॉन शेड्यूल, सिंगल और मल्टी स्टेट, स्टेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंट्रल कोऑपरेटिव और पीएसीज. नॉन बैंक्स एफई एग्जिम नेबार्ड एनएचबी सिडबी. प्राइमरी डीलर्स एनबीएफसीज एलआईसी मुद्रा. बैंकिंग सेक्टर बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस. प्रेसिडेंसी बैंक्स बंगाल 1806, बॉम्बे 1840, मद्रास 1842. 1861 कैनिंग. All three given rights to issue currency. 1881 Ripon. Negotiable Instrument Act to increase acceptability of bank checks. 1921 three merged into Imperial Bank. 1955 State Bank of India. Commercial Bank in British India. 1707 Bank of Hindustan Calcutta, but Europeans owned. 1865 Allahabad Bank, group of Europeans, but their customer are judges, civil servant, army personnel and not common citizen. 1894 PNB Lajpat helped in foundation by asking friends to invest. 1908 BOB Swadeshi Bank, customers merchant, Indian civil servant, its financial inclusion नहीं था. 1913 onwards state banks by various state governments. Till 1913 anyone could open bank in India after registering in Companies Act. NOC, no CRR, no SLR, no RBI, no Basel norms. 1926 Hilton Young Royal Commission, Indian currency, set up central bank and regulate banking sector. 1929 Great Depression, 450 plus banks collapsed. 1934 Viceroy Wellington, okay we will do like that. RBI Act 1934, from where they bought money to set up RBI, issued shares in market, rupees 100 face value into 5 lakh shares equal to 5 crore capital. First Governor Sir Auburn Smith, 1st April 1935. First Indian Governor C.D. Deshmukh, 1943. Who owned RBI? Before independence, British Indian government 4.4% or private investor 95.6%. RBI Transfer of Ownership Act 1948. All RBI private share transferred to GOI from 1st Jan 1949. After independence, GOI 100%. Implications: RBI governor answerable to Parliament and RTI. RBI has to pay dividend to government. 1948 से 1949. 1948 RBI was nationalized. Now RBI has power to give license to ठीक यहाँ पे RBI was nationalized in 1948. 1949 Banking Regulation Act. Now RBI has power to give license to company to open banks, give permission to banks to open branches, prescribe auditing and liquidity norms, protect interest of depositors, force elimination or merger of weak banks. RBI Central Board, 5 official directors, governor plus 4 deputy governors by central government, and 16 non-officials. Governor and deputy governor selected by committee headed by cabinet secretary. Functions of RBI: controller of money supply and inflation, RBI Act. Controller of two things: money supply and inflation, and controller of foreign exchange, FERA or FEMA. Banker of two things: banker to government, public debt management. Bankers to bank, lender of last resort. Bankers Bank, all banks have current account with RBI, e-Kuwait CBS. Regulator of two things: regulator of all banks and regulator of AFI, selected NBFCs. Customer protection, financial inclusion, promotional role. Crypto ban, magnetic chip नहीं, EVM card. etc. 8. Miscellaneous data publication in COP, Basel, IMF, G20, FSB, etc. Formation of banking company. First, register company under Companies Act. Document to be submitted in Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Memorandum of Association. Name of company, name, number of max share to be issued, associate partners, names, etc. Authorized cap of company. Second, issue shares to arrange money capital. Third, get license from RBI to start a bank. Fourth, use capital to open officer, hire staff. 5. Start collecting deposit and savings. Authorized capital. What if investors do not buy all the share offered? पेड अप कैपिटल, यहाँ 5 लाख अगर एग्जाम्पल है तो यहाँ 3 लाख पेड अप कैपिटल है. When two conditions met, RBI adds them in second schedule of RBI Act scheduled bank. Paid up capital plus reserves equal to or more than 5 lakh. If RBI is satisfied that bank doing business is not detrimental to its depositor, where do they keep CRR money? Scheduled banks deposit CR money to RBI's office or vault. Non-scheduled banks deposit keep CRR money in their own office or vault. Scheduled banks and non-scheduled banks. तो scheduled banks में आपका है CRR at RBI office, eligible to borrow from RBI, are required to protect interest of depositors. Two subparts: scheduled commercial bank SBI, Axis, etc. and scheduled cooperative banks Haryana Rajya Sahkari Bank, etc. Non-scheduled banks CRR at their own office, depends on RBI's discretion, also have to do its else action under B Regulate Banks Regulating Act 1949. Hundreds of cooperative banks are non-scheduled banks. Why nationalization of private banks after independence? Nexus between banks and industrialists. Financial inclusion was neglected by private sector bank. 1948 RBI Transfer of Ownership Act. 1949 Bank Regulation Act. 1955 Imperial Bank SBI. 1955 to 56 LIC Act took over private life insurance companies. 1969 Nationalization of bank, round 1. 14 banks with deposit more or equal to 50 crore. BOB, PNB, Dena, Canara, etc. Small banks which then have no such large deposits, so they were left out and also called old private banks. 1972 to 73 General Insurance Non-Life Companies Nationalization. 1980 Nationalization of bankers, round 2. 6 banks with deposit more than or equal to 200 crore. Cooperative Bank, Vijaya Bank, Oriental, etc. Has nationalization of banks benefited India? Yes. Increased rural branches, increased loan to farmers, food production increases, poverty decreases. Not really. This increases because government schemes, Green Revolution, FYP, RBI's moral suasion, PSL norms, so bank nationalization itself has not helped in it much. Bhartiya Mahila Bank 2013, headquarter New Delhi. Budget 2013, 1000 rupees, 100% government owned, nothing new. It is Park, Tanzania 2009, BOD, all women. Staff deposit, BOB, PND deputation, male plus female. Loan predominantly to women, loan up to 1 lakh crore without collateral to women. Credit plus approach, skill development and financial literacy among women. 2017 merged with SBI. Consolidation of public sector bank, majority shares government. Merger or privatization. Combining 2 or more PSBs into one. Many state banks merger with SBI. SB of Mysore, SB of Travancore, etc. They will now get share of SBI and their own share seizes called share swapping. Now that is how they will merge. 2019 more merger of PSBs, amalgamating bank और एंकर बैंक, सहारा देने वाली बैंक. देना और विजय amalgamating में आ रहे हैं. मतलब एंकर में है बीओबी, ओरिएंटल बैंक ऑफ कॉमर्स प्लस यूनाइटेड बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को पीएनबी, सिंडिकेट बैंक को कैनरा, आंध्रा बैंक कोऑपरेटिव बैंक को यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, इलाहाबाद बैंक को इंडियन बैंक। पीएन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स: जियोग्राफिकल एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल सिनर्जी, सहयोग, इंक्रीज, लेस कॉस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस, better lending deposit rates, easier compliance with Basel III norms. Anti-arguments: more financial burden on VRS, employees worried seniority, promotion, etc. Bank may lose regional identity and customer intelligence with transfer of VRS of employees. Big customer may shift to another banks for faster services and personalized privileges. Consolidation of PSBs, merger or privatization. Government decreasing its shareholding to less than 50% in PSBs. 1960, government owned UTI mutual fund, applied for UTI bank license in 90s. Scam Ketan Parekh. Restructuring, UTI privatized into Axis Bank 2017. 2018, IDBI Bank attempted privatization. No private investor came due to high NPAs. IDBI government 81%, अदर 8%, LIC 11%. 2018 के बाद IDBI, LIC 51%, गवर्नमेंट 41%, अदर 8%. Positives: LIC can market its insurance policy of IDBI customers. बैंक का assurance. Government no longer worry about Basel recapitalization of IDBI. IDBI has classified as a private sector bank even though its owner LIC itself is owned by government. Negatives: LIC policy holders' money is going into a loss-making bank. Budget 2020 on IDBI Bank. Government will sell the remaining shares. IDBI will be 100% privatized. 2014, RBI's P.J. Nayak Committee for Governance of Banks in India. Government should transfer its shares to Banking Investment Company, SBI, Banking Investment, PNB, Investment BOB, etc. सभी सरकारी बैंकों का मालिक. Headed by professional experts. Government majority shareholders, ruling party for persons in BOD even if they don't have experience and talent. So inefficiency, that is why BIC. Headed by professional experts. Not yet implemented. Why allow private sector bank in India? Nationalization, private sector bank turned into PSB, created new sets of problem. Administered interest rates, low profitability, unviable projects on political consideration, high NPA, low recovery. Government shareholding, politicized board, experts branch expansion. RBI would keep high CRR to prevent failure, high SLR to finance government borrowings. Aam Aadmi deprived of reasonable loans. Deprived of loans at reasonable loans. Large and unionized staff. Services less. First 1991, second 1997, government's M. Narasimha Committee for Banking Reforms. First, reduce government control, reduce shareholding in PSUs, privatization, access or IDBI. Second, branch expansion, make it liberal. RBI 25% rural mandate. Third, allow new private banks. 1993, 2001, 2013, 2, Bandhan or IDFC. Fourth, allow new foreign banks. On tap, that is whenever apply, allow, but reciprocal basis. अमेरिका टू इंडिया, बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका से यहाँ तो SBI से अमेरिका की तरफ. न्यू प्राइवेट बैंक्स, 3 राउंड ऑफ लाइसेंस. 1993 to 95, 6 + 4 = 10. 6 में आपके हैं ICCI, UTI, एक्सिस 2007, IDBI, HDFC, इंडस और DCB. 4 में ग्लोबल ट्रस्ट बैंक 2001, scam merged in OBC. Bank of Punjab, Centurion Bank, HDFC, Times Bank, HDFC. These 4 failed and merged. 2001 to 2004, 2, Kotak Mahindra और Yes Bank. 2013 and 16, 2, Bandhan और IDFC. Bhartiya Mahila Bank outside rounds got licensed directly 2013 by government. On tap license for private commercial banks. Before 2016, from 2016, before 2016 start and stop. Notification for limited time should apply in that window only. From 2016, on tap system. No deadline for application. Condition minimum 500 crore paid up capital. Resident Indian individual and 10-year banking experience. Controlled by Indians must 125% branches in rural. But restriction on entry of large industrial houses and large NBFCs, example Tata, Reliance, etc. Total asset more than 5,000 crore. Example they are larger industrial group not allowed. 2020 RBI's PK Mohanty committee. RBI should allow for the entry of large corporates and large NBFCs into banking system. Foreign banks. Nehruvian socialist economy disdain for private banks. Few foreign banks allowed to set up branches. 1991 N. Narasimha Committee allow more foreign banks with on-tap system on reciprocal basis. Indian bank, public or private, Indian bank or foreign banks. Foreign bank presently more than 40. Indian bank originally founded by registering in India's Company Act. Foreign investors 57. Indian investors 27, Indian promoters 16, Axis. But still it is not foreign bank because it is originated in India. Foreign bank, they are incorporated abroad. Foreigner can buy Indian bank shares up to 20% PSBs. Private bank up to 49% automatic route and up to 74% government approval. Lakshmi Vilas Bank merged with Bank of Singapore's Indian branches. Differential banks. Universal banks Sarthrik can open branches anywhere after opening 25% branches in unbanked rural areas. Example SBI or Axis. Accept both time and demand deposit of any amount. Loan anyone after 40% PSL. Differential banks. Limit lending of deposits. Geo expansion. Geographical restriction on branch opening for first local area banks, Purvanchal Bank, second RRBs. Payment banks accept max 2 lakh. Balance per customer per year. SFB or RRB 75% to PSL. Payments bank can't give loan. RRB 1970s Committee on Financial Inclusion Narasimhan RRB 1991 Committee on Banking Sector Reforms. Entry of private and foreign banks. 1997 Committee on Banking Sector Reforms. Payment and Settlement System Act. SARFAESI Act for Loan Recovery. 1976 RRB Act on recommendation of Narasimhan Committee on Financial Inclusion. Universal Commercial Banks SBI or Axis. Regional Rural Banks Purvanchal Bank. Banking Regulation Act applies. Yes plus RRB Act. यहाँ CRR और SLR yes. PSL yes 40%, yes 75%. Lending rate not more than average co-op banks. Presence all India or abroad. Few district. Vote power according to shareholding. Regional rural banks का यूनियन 50%, स्टेट 15%, स्पॉन्सर बैंक्स 35% वोट पावर. Problem of RRBs. Villagers deposit rupee in commercial bank because high interest rate. RRBs are more dependent NABARD and sponsor bank loans for running their operation as their own deposit growth is low. Villagers take loan from RRBs because cheaper but they do not return them promptly. RRB Act 1976 amendment in 2015 to allow additional capital from private sector. Encourage mergers among RRBs. 2015 Act allowed for union state sponsor bank should have minimum 51% and 49% others. Local area banks. Only rural and semi-urban areas. Max 3 geographical contiguous districts Only one urban center per district, else all in non-city area. Licensed under Bank Regulation Act 1949. Non-scheduled, so CRR at the rate on office. 40% PSL. Small Financial Bank Payment Banks 2015. Differentiated niche banks. On recommendation of Nachiket More Committee. Why payment banks? Inspired from Vodafone M-Pesa, Kenya. Mobile recharge, Kirana wala remittance, etc. Even crop insurance. 2014, we did Airtel Money, Oxycash, etc. Better convert PPI, prepaid payment instrument, to bank for more financial inclusion and regulation. Why SFB? Financial inclusion by saving vehicle, to provide micro loans to unserved or underserved small busy units, S&M farmers, M&S industries, unrecognized sector entities. Inspired from community banks of USA, locally owned and operated, help farmers, ranchers, MSC. Better intelligence, lower NPA. Intelligence, local people, known local people well. Indian parallels, old private and lab. Second, public, RRB cooperative banks, but lack of innovation and outreach attempts. Common features, CRR or SLR. Basel 3 norms applicable, but interest and different norms. Foreigner shareholding 49% automatic, 74% government approval. Can assess RBI Windows Ops. RBI's banking ombudsman, digital payment ombudsman, can take complaint against them. Can sell MF pension insurance foreign currency with permission from regulators. MF SEBI, pension PFRDA, insurance RDI, etc. SFB, 25% branches in unbanked rural area. Payment banks, 25% of access points must be with rural area. Differential features. SFB, loan to unserved, undeserved farmers or small marginal MSC, target audience. PV, promoting small savings, remittance to migrant laborers. SFB, 40% to PSL according to quota, additionally 85% to any PSL category as per their will. So total 75% to PSL. ये 35 होगा. So total 75% to PSL. ये can't loan, can't issue credit cards, what to do with deposits, invest in GSECs, T-bills, deposit in other SCB as per RBI norms. यहाँ पे 50% of loan amount should be up to 25 lakhs loan, so that only few people don't corner all the loans. यहाँ पे no limit on deposit है. यहाँ पे no NRI deposit है, no time deposit है, FD नहीं है, demand deposit max है 2 लाख, ATM और डेबिट हो सकता है, no credit card है. Can evolve into universal commercial bank UCB after 5 years on RBI's discretion. यहाँ पे can convert to SFB after 5 years, can convert to UCB, PB plus SFB, PB से SFB और फिर UCB. यहाँ पे ऑन टैप लाइसेंसिंग सिस्टम है या ऑन टैप लाइसेंसिंग सिस्टम नॉट येट अप्रूव्ड बाय RBI. होलसेल बैंक not yet found, proposed by RBI 2017, can't accept deposit less than 10 crore rupees, loan to larger infrastructure and corporate borrowers. PSL certificate trading, example wholesale bank give a loan to large solar projects, counted in PSL. RENFEN, other banks can buy PSLC to meet their own target. Cooperative banks, members voting power based on cooperative SOC norms, one shareholder equal to one vote, irrespective of capital contributed. Community spirits, cheaper lending rates than commercial banks, mainly in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra, Tamil Nadu. Banking Regulation Act applicable. Regulators RBI, NABARD, Registrar of Cooperatives and Union and State. CRR, SLR, Basel 3 norms applies. Slabs may be different. PSL not required except for urban cooperative bank. Primary Agri Credit Society, PACS, not a bank. No SOE, no CRR, no SLR, no Basel III. Types of cooperative banks. Audience: rural cooperative and urban cooperative. Geographic span: single state audience or multi state audience. Regulators: कॉमर्शियल एसबीआई एक्सिस में आरबीआई है, यूनियन रेगुलेटर नहीं है, स्टेट नहीं है. कोऑपरेटिव सिंगल स्टेट रूरल कोऑपरेटिव्स में आरबीआई है, यूनियन नहीं है, स्टेट है. कोऑपरेटिव सिंगल स्टेट अर्बन कोऑपरेशन, ये है, ये नहीं है, ये है. कोऑपरेटिव मल्टी स्टेट्स, आरबीआई भी है, यूनियन भी है, स्टेट नहीं है. ये डुअल सुपरविजन मॉडल है. कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स, dual supervision models. Problems: RBI can impose limit on cash withdrawal or suspend its license, etc. But to merge or eliminate, additional union state registrar permission needed. Delay or corruption. June 2020 Banking Regulation Amendment Ordinance Act 2020. RBI यूनियन और स्टेट. SCB RBI यूनियन नहीं, स्टेट नहीं. कोऑपरेटिव RBI, कोऑपरेटिव में सिंगल स्टेट. एक रूरल हो गया, रूरल में है, यूनियन नहीं है, स्टेट है. यूनियन में आरबीआई है, ये भी नहीं है, स्टेट भी नहीं है. कोऑपरेटिव मल्टी स्टेट में आरबीआई है, यूनियन भी नहीं है, स्टेट भी नहीं है. यूनियन नाउ डज नॉट रेगुलेट्स एनी कोऑपरेटिव बैंक. रूरल कोऑपरेटिव्स. शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स और लॉन्ग टर्म लोन्स. शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक से डिस्ट्रिक्ट सीबी, सेंट्रल डीसीसीबी, PACS, एग्ने क्रेडिट सोसाइटी, नॉट बैंक, सो ऑन. लॉन्ग टर्म लोन्स में स्टेट कोऑप, एग्री एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट बैंक और लैंड बैंक्स. सबसे ऊपर SCB है, लोन्स, DCCB लोन्स, PACS लोन्स. यहाँ सरप्लस रिमेंड, सरप्लस डिपॉजिट होगा ऊपर. यहाँ से CRR, SLR, पार्क्ड इन स्टेट बॉन्ड्स. उसके बाद नाबार्ड फंडिंग. प्रॉब्लम्स: फ्रॉड, कास्टिज्म, politicization if X village contains majority. ECB can't utilized for real estate activities. Investment in capital market, equity investment, working capital purpose, repayment of loans. ECB minimum for 3 years irrespective of amount. AIFI, All India Financial Institution, currently 4: Exim, NABARD, NHB, SIDBI. How do they function? Assets: loan to banks, loan to NBFCs, direct investment in large companies, indirect loan to end users, ठीक. Liabilities: bond in market, loans from RBI, government, WP, etc. Public deposit नहीं. 1st January 1982 Exim, loan credit finance to exporter and importers, promote cross border trade and investment, 100% owned by GOI, allowed for ECB external commercial borrowing. 12 July 82 NABARD, 100% owned by GOI, rural infrastructure development fund if PSL not met, indirect lending to farmers, artisan, rural, MSME. It is also immediate regulator of cooperative banks and RRBs. RBI is ultimate regulator. NABARD Amendment Act 2017, it facilitated transfer of RBI shares to government. July 88 NHB, National Housing Bank Act 88, 100% government owned, publishes Residex Index, housing sector inflation. Regulated NBFC, housing loan companies such as DHFL, Muthoot Housing Finance, etc. After 2019 budget, RBI share ownership in NHB transferred to government. RBI to regulate NBFC, housing loan company, DHFL, Muthoot, etc. RBI to NHB, rupee to banks and NBFCs for home loans. April 1990 SIDBI, originally 100% government owned, but presently it be SBI, LIC and other PSB insurance companies. SIDBI helps MSME borrowers with indirect lending. Udayamitra.in portal for loans to MSME, allowed for ECB external commercial borrowing. AIFI are not banks because they cannot accept direct deposit from people at large. Hence, CRR, SLR, Basel III norms applicable, but different slabs. They mobilized funds by borrowing from bond markets and RBI. No PSL. Only for UCB plus SCB. Primary dealer. Financial market. If money needed for less than 1 year, money market. If money needed for more than 1 year, capital market. One market, fresh security. Second market. First, dealer buy bonds or security GSEX from eKuber platform RBIs and they sell it in second market. Can participate in OMO, must get license from RBI, example SEBI, BOB, Kotak Mahindra, etc. 21 PD, 14 banks, 7 non-banks. Commercial banks and NBFCs. Parameter. Registration. Companies Act, Banking Regulating Act, Commercial Bank के लिए, NBFC के लिए Companies Act. सुपरविजन यहाँ पे आरबीआई करेगा, यहाँ वेरीज. एमएफ से भी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आरडीआई. एंट्री कैपिटल यहाँ पे 500 करोड़ फॉर यूनिवर्सल कमर्शियल बैंक, यहाँ पे 5 करोड़ फॉर माइक्रो फाइनेंशियल, 2 करोड़ फॉर अदर्स एंड 200 करोड़ फॉर री इंश्योरर. फिगर्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. डिपॉजिट कैन एक्सेप्ट टाइम एंड डिमांड. डिपॉजिट आर इंश्योर्ड अंडर DIGCA. यहाँ पे ओनली डिपॉजिट टेकिंग एनबीएफसी डी, एग्जाम्पल बजाज फाइनेंस. ओनली टाइम डिपॉजिट्स नॉट इंश्योर्ड, नो चेक बुक इशू, सो ओनली टाइम डिपॉजिट. एनबीएफसी डी SLR Basel 3. NBFC no CRR. Basel norms are not applicable to all NBFC but on some NBFC. Investment can keep depositor money in RBI approved securities. Can invest clients' money in share market but can't invest in share market. Loan rate decided as per RBI methodology, external benchmark. यहाँ पे वेरीज एंड डिपेंड्स ऑन नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस, एग्जांपल अर्जेंट गोल्ड लोन. यहाँ पे रिकवरी, लोन रिकवरी पावर अंडर सारफेसी एक्ट. यहाँ पे नॉट ऑल NBFC हैव दिस सारफेसी पावर फॉर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ लोन. NBFC classification. Who is regulator? RBI. Asset financial company, loan companies, investment company. 2019 RBI merged them into single category. Investment and credit company. CIC infra finance company or infra debt fund. Give long term loan to big projects. Assessed reconstruction company. Factoring comp microfinancial institution MFI. RBI plus corporate affair minister. Gold loan company Manbam. NHB had regulated housing finance company. Budget 19 power handed over to RBI. SEBI share brokers MF, REITs, InvITs, Investors Bank USA, Merchants Bank UK, Nord Banker, venture capital funds, help startup comp with funding. IRDA insurance company LIC, Oriental Insurance Reinsurance Policy Bajaj.com. PFRDA regulator for all pension funds except EPFO and few others. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Nidhi Company, Mutual Benefit Club, Microfinance, RBI plus MOCA, Chit Fund, regulated by State Registrar of Chit Funds. Residuary power of NBFC regulation with RBI. Microfinance institutes. Who regulates? RBI plus Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Who can borrow? Household whose annual income is not more than 1.25 lakh rural and 2 lakh urban. How much one can borrow? Not more than 1.25 lakh. Microfinance. Example Bandhan WB separately got private license. Disha is bad separately got SFB license. SKS Andhra, Cashpore UP, Ujjivan Karnataka. RBI controlled NBFC account aggregator AA. NBFC AA, bank balance RBI. Each has separate web portal regulator. MF return on asset SEBI. NPS or investment PFRDA. Insurance policy IRDA. RBI controlled NBFC fintech company loan aggregator. Connect customer with bank or NBFC for loans. Example loanadda.com, loantab.com, loanbazaar, etc. RBI controlled NBFC fintech company, peer-to-peer lending. Lender can directly loan to borrower without using bank as middleman. Example Fair%. NBFC's classification: deposit taking ability, yes or no. Yes में NBFCD only time deposit, SLR applicable, CRR will not be applicable. Example Bajaj Finance etc. नो में आपका है NBFC ND. Example L&T Financial, ILFC, some having more than 500 crore asset size, they are NBFC ND SI. Systematically important. NBFC Islamic banking not yet permitted. According to Islam Sharia law, Muslim cannot invest money in speculative trading, gambling etc., alcohol, pork or similar haram business, pay or receive interest. इसके बाद ये वाले को थोड़ा रुक के